KSK book review. Disease Prevention and Treatment, expanded 4th edition. See, sometimes you get like little reminders of stuff. And so let me finish reading. Scientific protocols that integrate mainstream and alternative medicine based on thousands of research studies and the clinical experience of physicians around the world. Okay? The one thing I get with all these diseases going around, and I won't say the word, but you know what I'm talking about, all these different things that's going on out here, you would think, why aren't healthy methods and preventative things done to help our bodies run, or our bodies fight diseases, colds? If we're eating right, in my opinion, then we'll be living right. And it helps us to fight off these different things that may be out there. It's just like anything that we have. We maintenance our cars to prevent them from breaking down. We put the better gas in our car. We put the better oil in our car. We do all these things. But anyway, just books like this, and I have a few more that I got a line of that I'm absolutely going to put out there that is good for health, for us to eat better, to live better, especially in this time with all the stuff that's going on out here, food wise and health wise and health care and stuff like that. So, but it begins with what we eat. I know that. Everyone knows that. It begins with what we eat. Then you get into your health, then you get into exercise, then you get into health care, then you get into all that stuff, but it begins there. Anyway, but like I said, I got a line. I'm gonna just start throwing these kind of natural health books out for us, what we eat. Now, I could be doing a lot better with eating a lot of us can. I'm working on it myself, but like all the junk food that we eat is not good. The times that we eat aren't good. So, anyway, but disease prevention and treatment. There we go. KSK book review.